Leading Case 7, 1 Indra Swaney vs. the Union of India 1992. In this video, we delve into the landmark case of Indra Swaney versus the Union of India, a pivotal ruling in 1992 that had a significant litigation impact on the Indian justice system. The Supreme Court's decision in this case set a powerful legal precedent, shaping the country's legal framework and cementing the role of judicial activism in promoting public interest and protecting human rights. Through a thorough case analysis, we'll explore how this ruling has influenced the development of constitutional law and civil rights in India, and its lasting impact on the country's legal history. Join us as we examine the intricacies of this landmark case and its continued relevance in the pursuit of rights and justice. Hi, I am Advocate Dr. Saurabh Kapoor, bringing you a video on this fascinating topic like this. But before you start watching this video, I request you to kindly like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to my YouTube channel to view videos like this more. Please leave a comment below, telling your thought and idea about this video and future videos you want. Kindly share this video with your friends, family, and social groups to spread this knowledge. Join me as I dive deep into Indra Swaney's landmark case against the Union of India from 1992 and see if I can uncover the key details that changed everything. The Indra Swaney v. Union of India case, adjudicated by the Supreme Court of India in 1992, is a landmark judgment concerning reservations for other backward classes, OBCs, in public employment. Background: in 1979, the Mandal Commission was established to identify socially and educationally backward classes in India. The Commission's 1980 report recommended a 27% reservation for OBCs in central government jobs, in addition to the existing 5% reservation for scheduled castes, SCs, and scheduled tribes, STs. The implementation of these recommendations in 1990 led to widespread protests and legal challenges, culminating in the Supreme Court's review in the Indra Swaney case. Cited Turn Zero Search 4 key issues addressed: constitutionality of OBC reservations. The court examined whether the 27% reservation for OBCs violated the constitutional right to equality. Identification of backward classes. The criteria for determining backwardness were scrutinized, particularly the role of caste as an indicator. Exclusion of the creamy layer. The court considered whether affluent members within OBCs should be excluded from reservation benefits. Reservation in promotions. The permissibility of applying reservations in promotions within public employment was evaluated. Reservation ceiling. The court deliberated on whether there should be an upper limit to the total percentage of reservations. Judgment. On November 16, 1992, the Supreme Court delivered a nuanced verdict, upholding 27% reservation for OBCs. The court affirmed the constitutionality of the 27% reservation, recognizing caste as a valid indicator of social and educational backwardness. Cite Turn Zero Search. Exclusion of the creamy layer. To ensure that reservation benefits reached the truly disadvantaged, the court introduced the concept of the creamy layer, excluding affluent individuals within OBCs from availing reservation benefits. Cite Turn Zero Search 6. 50% reservation ceiling. The court imposed a ceiling stating that total reservations should not exceed 50% of available positions to maintain a balance between affirmative action and merit. Cite Turn Zero Search 7. Reservations in promotions. The court ruled that reservations should be confined to initial appointments and should not extend to promotions. Cite Turn Zero Search. Significance. The Indra Swaney judgment has had a profound impact on India's reservation policies. Policy framework. It established foundational principles for implementing reservations, including the identification of backward classes and the exclusion of the creamy layer. Judicial precedent. The verdict has been referenced in subsequent cases and policy decisions concerning affirmative action in India. Ongoing debates. The judgment continues to influence discussions on social justice, equality, and the criteria for affirmative action in India. In summary, the Indra Swaney case is a cornerstone in the jurisprudence of affirmative action in India, delineating the contours of reservation policies and striving to balance the principles of equality and social justice. Today, we're going to explore one of the most iconic labor law cases in Indian history, a case that has had a lasting impact on workers' rights and labor laws in the country. The case of Indra Swaney versus the Union of India is a powerful example of the struggle for justice and equality in the workplace. So let's start from the beginning and examine the significance of this case. This case is significant not only because of its outcome, but also because of the broader implications it had on labor laws.